Hello, it's Sonia Hollis here. I hope you're well. I just wanted to give you a bit of an update about what's been happening over the last few weeks. Most of you already know about my story where I lost my gorgeous twin sister Tanya to cholangiocarcinoma, which is bile duct cancer, over 5 years ago. So as you can imagine, that was an incredibly stressful time for all of us. And to cut a long story short, I decided to go back to health and fitness, where I met an awesome personal trainer, Darren Wright, who has been absolutely instrumental in this journey, and for that I am incredibly grateful for. So he encouraged me to study nutrition. I hadn't really thought about it at the time, but I was quite interested in it. So I decided to go back to university and I studied my master's degree in personalised nutrition alongside becoming a neuro-linguistic practitioner. So that was a 2-year journey, hard slog, and many times I wanted to give up, but I was encouraged not to, so I kept going. And last year I qualified as a nutritional therapist. So why am I telling you all this? Well, as you can see, I am in a different room, so we are filming from a different location. Over the last few weeks, I've been trying to do more films to help you with your nutrition and give you some top tips and things, but it was becoming more and more problematic every day, because by the time I set up the camera, the dogs were barking inside the house or people came at the door. It just wasn't practical. So I found a new place to work from. So let me just take you through a few photographs, and I'm hoping you can appreciate why it's so important for me to be working here again. So please bear with me. Right, this was our office that Tanya and I used to work together in as we built up our sign language interpreting agency. So as you can see, it's been left dormant and basically used as a dumping ground for the last 5 years or so. Sophie, bless her, she has been so supportive in helping me. So she was in charge of de-spidering the whole room whilst I just basically squealed like a little girl. So it's all tidy now, but I just wanted to bring some colour into it with my logo, and also to help with the transition to make it look completely different as we now just start on the next extension of our journey. We set up a Facebook group with the family to help with ideas. And bless her, she did a recce for us with Matthew and had a look at different plant ideas and just sent photos back into the group. And then everybody else just helped to put it all together. Julie helped with the lighting as she's a professional photographer, and we both went shopping together to buy all the plants and other things that we wanted to put into the studio to make it a nice homely environment. Sophie has been so lovely in helping me with everything, and she's just such good fun to be around. Well, this was coming up to the last bit of painting to do behind the cupboards, and to be honest with you, I was getting slightly fed up. So I did say to Sophie, "Oh, do you think we could just not do behind the cupboards?" "Come on, Sonia," she said, "do it properly." That was one of her common phrases actually throughout this journey. And now we have put in some final touches and it's all finished. So I hope you like seeing what's been going on over the last few weeks, and I just want to say thank you to everybody, but I've just got one more last message that I just wanted to share. So this last message is for Tanya, really. I hope you like what we've done here. I'm really pleased with it. I absolutely love it, and I'm so pleased that I decided to take the plunge and come back up here again, because to be honest with you, a few weeks ago it hadn't even crossed my mind, and it was only when a friend said to me that it was a good idea because you will end up working with your best co-worker again, and that's true, and that's lovely. So let's still work together and we can build a big business together like we did before. Okay, see you soon.